Hi guys, so I look like a bird. Today I'm doing this, which I know is crazy. I don't know why I did it. I planned to just do my eyes like this and like my face normal, but then I just got carried away. I don't know, it's artsy, but I don't know how useful it is. My camera is running out of charge, so I gotta do this intro very quickly. Yeah, I don't know, I'm gonna use this for my art, I think, because of how it turned out. I mean, like my art GCSE. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this look, whatever this is anyway, and yeah. Okay, so first of all, I've already like started this eye, but I haven't finished it yet. Well, like, I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna add some bits to it and drag some bits out, but for now I'm just gonna copy what's on this side to this side. So first of all, as you know, I'm doing a bright look, obviously, so it's gonna involve my Juvia's palette. I'm gonna take my first shade, which is Irigi from the Festival palette, and I'm gonna basically blend that all in the corner. Now I'm gonna go into the Zulu palette and take the purple shade. I'm gonna take this shade and put it on the outer corner, and this I'm taking lower than I took the pink, and you can go as messy as you want here because we're gonna blend it out anyway. For once, I think I actually have an idea of what I want to do, like sort of a plan. And throughout this whole process, what you want to do is keep blending around the edges because it's easy to clean up. So you can like blend out as much as you want, but make sure it's just blended because otherwise cleaning up later is a lot harder. I don't know why I'm doing this because I know it's not very wearable. I don't know, I thought it'd be cool to do something out of the box. Then from the Zulu palette, I'm also gonna take this shade and I'm gonna put this in between the two shades. And this is actually also surprisingly easy and fast to do, in my opinion, but we're gonna make it look really sick, hopefully. Okay, now I'm gonna do a half cut crease with my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. I wish on this eye I did it with concealer, because paint pot, like, I love it before shadows, but like on top it looks sort of cakey. Now I'm going to take this flat brush before setting it and then placing this yellow colour from the Zulu palette onto my lid. And this is where the paint pot is good because it really picks up the yellow colour, not like lost between the other bright colours, because we're not really using any neutrals. And when it comes to blending it into the purple, I'm first going to take a bit of the orange shade, just a tiny bit, and place it right on the outer bit. And then I'm also going to take the pink shade, the one that we blended Irigi with. Now I'm going to take the actual purple and sort of diffuse it. Okay, and now for the glitter part, you have to take a really skinny brush and some glitter glue. I'm going to be using the NYX glitter glue. And then you just want to place this glitter glue just a line on really like the top of your cut crease. And I'm using 3 glitters today to sort of create a very soft glitter gradient. So I'm going to go from the very beginning gold into copper, and these are the NYX glitter brilliants. And then at the very end I'm going to use rose. Okay, and now I'm gonna take a little bit of Yuli from the Festival palette. Okay, now because the base isn't like the keen part of this look, I'm gonna do the base off camera, and I'm gonna be right back because it's just a waste of time to do it on camera. It's gonna be my normal base. Yes, I got my base on. I also did eyeliner because I knew I'd do that off camera anyway. It's probably the shittest I've ever done my eyeliner. I had to clean it up twice. And now my eyes look different. Great. Anyway, I'm just gonna move on. So I know what I'm definitely gonna do. I'm gonna bring the pink down the nose. So I'm gonna start with that. So I'm gonna take EDG on the blending brush. Make sure you tap it out because you don't want this to fall on other parts of your face. Oh, also my face is very matte right now. I feel so dry, but you need it to be like completely set so it's easier to blend eyeshadows on top. I carried it down way lower than I wanted. Okay, for now, because I don't know how I'm feeling about that yet, I'm just gonna bake in the middle of my nose. Okay, I'm gonna do the lower lash line for now. Don't actually know what color to take on the lower lash line. I feel like blue, but I only have the shimmery blue in this palette and I want it to be this tone. I'm doing this very slowly. I don't know why, like I'm speaking so slow. So I'm going into my electric palette and taking the shade Gonzo, and I'm not quite sure what I'm doing on here, so for starter I'm just gonna place it down like I would with any other shade on the lower lash line. But actually first I'm gonna line my waterline to make it more dramatic, like it needs it. Okay, that took me way longer than expected, but I'm just gonna continue with the blue. I definitely wanna, this is what I saw actually on Jeffree Star the other day when I was watching his video. They highlighted his Cupid's bow with the color, and now I'm gonna do that. And I'm gonna take the yellow shade from the Zulu palette and highlight my Cupid's bow with yellow. And then I guess highlight my nose as well. And then that means my eyes as well actually. I'm just gonna highlight all my normal places with this yellow. I feel like I should continue with the color scheme, so the thing is I don't know what color to bronze with then. I feel like blue, but I don't want to make it too much, if you know what I mean. Are you okay? Oh my god, this is literally, I look like some sort of bird. Yeah, I don't think the blue needs to be carried on. Okay, and now I'm going to use the shade Marshmallow from the Sugar Glow kit and highlight that yellow, just so it's still a highlight and it's not dull. I feel like then maybe I should carry in the contouring with the pink, but I don't know if it's gonna be too much. You know what, let's go on like full on color. Like this isn't gonna be a normal tutorial, so I'm gonna take the pink. I'm gonna take the Morphe brush in 509 and I'm gonna take the shade Eerie She, and I'm gonna start off in my temples. I feel like maybe I should bring the pink down like that. At the same time, I think that's too much because I mean it's already a lot. Okay, now I'm gonna bake underneath all of that and bake my forehead as well, just to clean it up, because I feel like if there's more definition there, it'll look better, more put together. I'm also gonna take a tiny bit of a smaller brush, pick up Eerie She, and contour this bit right here. Yeah, okay, my eyes were so like focused and now the colour is just going everywhere. I've literally never felt this dry in my whole life. And actually, I want to take some body paint. This is from Snaseru, and I'm going to take a little brush and I just want to put this on the highlighted spots, just like as a light ray, I guess. My eye's literally full of eyeliner and I did the white specs. I don't know if they ruined it. I feel like I could have done them better, but they're done. So I mean, I can't do anything about it. Because my lips start off yellow, I'm gonna put like a bright pink lip gloss on, but so it's sort of transparent and still shows the yellow, if that makes sense. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it because I feel like I'm getting out of control and putting on too much. So I don't even know what more I can put on. This was a weird video. I'm pretty sure I didn't explain anything I did. Oh, also, I completely forgot. I need to do my bottom lash mascara. Yes, I'm gonna take my Dior mascara in 264, which is the blue one, and place this on my bottom lashes. And I always say this, if you guys don't have eyelash extensions like me, I'd also put eyelashes on, but I can't do that because then it rips out my lashes. Ooh. Oh my god, okay, no, we're not done with the tutorial because I just had the most amazing idea. I'm gonna do the same like thing on my face and my neck. Oh my god, okay. Okay guys, so my camera is switched off, so I have very little charge, but I've started doing the lower bit like on this side, and I'm gonna show you how to do it on this side. Also, I'm gonna lower the contour this way, just so it's dramatic basically, even though everything is already dramatic. But I was planning just for my eyes to be like a little crazy, and now look what I've turned myself into. Okay, then on this side I'm gonna take EDG. Do this, you basically just follow your bone structure from here, which is why it's so simple. Like, you don't even need to look at reference messages, you just look at yourself and you sort of, you know, define what's already there. And I mean, I'm sorry, but this is sort of turning into a Halloween look, but I don't even know what one. Like, what can this be? Like a dragon? And then I'm placing yellow in the middle of that. For the lower bit, I'm again adding yellow here. Then again adding EDG and just following my natural bone structure. Okay guys, so I finished the body thing. I know like I rushed it a lot and it doesn't look great, but my camera is very low on charge, so I just gotta finish my intro and outro very quickly. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and it was very weird and different from what I usually do. Well, I mean, usually I only do eyes that are like bam in your face, and that was like everything. Yeah, I don't know why I did it, but again, as I said, I need to hurry up, and that's pretty much all I have to say. I'll see you guys in my next video, and bye! Oh my god, I wasn't in the middle. Fuck it. Bye!
Baby, I'm chilling outside. Baby, come and look into my eyes. Yeah, I know the feeling is right.